We're here in our base in Kurdistan, Iraq. On June the 2nd, 2017, we did a rescue of a little girl and a man under fire by ISIS, ran behind a tank and grabbed her. A lot of help. The next day, we got news that there was more people in the Pepsi factory. Infiltrating through the Pepsi factory, found our first wounded guy and then a little girl. She turns out to be named Surya. And then I look in a room and I see this woman. It was Kofran who had called us. He'd been shot for 4 days. I saw a little boy, Abdul Rahman, shot, and that little girl had followed us, so there's 3 there. And then I looked out in the street and I saw a bunch of dead bodies, including a guy in a wheelchair and a blown up car, and there was this woman who moved amongst 3 dead bodies, and I was like, no way. And she looked at me, and I don't know what she said in Arabic, but I knew the meaning. It was, help me. I was like, she's been shot there at least 4 days. I found out now it's 5 days, laying there. There's no way we can cross that open area. We're gonna die, and we're gonna ruin this whole rescue. It's not bravery, it's foolishness. We're gonna die, and these 4 people we've already got are gonna die. And I just said this terrible prayer. I said, Jesus, just take her to heaven. She's not gonna survive anyway. It's gonna get everybody killed. And I said, oh, that's a terrible prayer. I don't know what else to pray, Lord, help. And Zuhair, the Iraqi private with us, goes, I'm gonna go get her. He looks up, he points at the wire, and we bring it down, some wire, electrical wiring. I cut it, I splice it together, make about a 30-yard length. And Zuhair turns to this little girl, and she threw the wire out, landed on this woman's chest. She tied that wire around her arm. I was just praying in Jesus' name, don't get shot and don't let that thing slip. And Zuhair and I pulled her in. Got her in, and she was, as she came in, she said, God is great. And she looked at me, she said, brother, thank you didn't leave me. Got her out, and I finally put her down, and I said, what's your name? She said, my name is Eman, which means faith. And this is Surya, her daughter.
We threw a wire out to her, she tied it around her wrist, and we drug her in.
And then we sent them out. Saheli picked us up, and we went on to our missions. We had more fighting, more rescues, and we lost track of her. But after the Battle of Mosul was over, we came back, we started finding almost all the people that we rescued. Almost everybody, even in that rescue, we found, but we never found the girl we drug up the street named Eman or the little girl Surya for over a year, and we prayed and prayed. This time in Mosul, we were visiting Kofran and other people we rescued, Aisha and Rahab. And in the morning, yesterday, 1 October, I prayed, Lord, help us find this girl in Jesus' name, today. And we're at the rescue site looking, and all of a sudden this man walks by with a strange look at his face, looking at us, and then comes over and he goes, what are you guys doing here? We said, we were part of the rescue a year ago. We helped some people. He goes, I've been looking for you. I said, who are you? I'm Muhammad. Eman's husband. We've been praying to God. We've been hoping to find you. And I just hugged him, and it felt great. I'm crying because it was awesome. It's life from death, and now we're reunited. We get not only to be part of her life, but we get to meet her again. He took us home to her, and there she is, sweet and beatific, and like an angel, glowing. And I remember when I first saw her, this is a special lady, man. This tough lady and special. And I saw her alive, and it was a great reunion. How she'd been praying for help and thought she's dead. I said, you know, what did you think when you saw me? She said, I thought it was a dream. I didn't think it was real. I thought it was a dream. But God saved me, and you saved me, she said. I said, you know, the real story is God saved you. Your daughter saved you, the Iraqi army saved you. And a lot of people were praying. We were part of it. We were just a small part. And you didn't give up. She said, I can't walk. You know, my hip shattered, shot. I still have the bullets in my arm, but we have no money for surgery. So I said, we're gonna take care of that. With God's help and our friends' help, we will take care of that, and we commit that to you. We're a family. And I said, you probably don't remember, when I pulled you in, I said, if I ever find you again, you'll be like my family. And we mean that. Don't depend on us, depend on God. But as long as we're alive and He helps us, we're gonna help you. So we're in this together. So that was a wonderful day, a reunion, and we didn't do it, God did. We were looking at the rescue site, and her husband comes up and meets us. There was no plan, no one called ahead. To me, that was a miracle, and I'm grateful. And thank you everyone for praying.